Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Cloudflare. Verify you are human. Fix failed loop. If you keep getting stuck in a Cloudflare verification loop, one of the most common causes is old or corrupted browser data. In this walkthrough, we'll clear the browsing data in your browser so the verification process can load properly again. This is a simple fix, and it only takes a moment. To begin, open your browser. Make sure you're in the same browser where you are experiencing the Cloudflare Verify You Are Human issue. That's important because clearing data in a different browser usually won't affect the one causing the problem. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to the browser's settings and tools, including the option we need for clearing stored browsing data. After opening that menu, find and click the option for deleting browsing data. Depending on your browser version, the wording may be slightly different, but it should be very close to delete browsing data or clear browsing data. This section is where the browser stores things like cached files, cookies, and other temporary information that can sometimes interfere with security checks like Cloudflare verification. When the browsing data window appears, look for the time range setting and select All Time. Choosing all time is important here because it ensures that any older cached files or cookies that may be causing the loop are fully removed. If you only clear recent data, the problematic files might still remain and the issue could continue. Once all time is selected, click Delete to confirm. The browser will then remove the stored browsing data. Depending on how much data has built up over time, this may take a few seconds. After the deletion is complete, try returning to the site that was showing the Cloudflare verification screen. In many cases, the loop should now be resolved because the browser is no longer relying on outdated or conflicting cached information. As a quick tip, clearing browsing data may sign you out of some websites, so be prepared to log back in if needed. That's normal and expected. And that's it. By opening the browser, accessing the three-dot menu, choosing Delete Browsing Data, setting the range to all time, and confirming delete, you've completed the process that often fixes the Cloudflare Verify You Are Human failed loop.